Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. So first of all, you have to turn on your Bluetooth mouse. After that, you have to press and hold the pairing button. Some mouses like this one have display selection, so select your display using the pairing button first, then hold it down for a couple of seconds to make the LED light of your mouse start blinking. This will basically make your mouse go into pairing mode. Now what we have to do is open the control center in the bottom right corner of the screen, then open the Bluetooth devices list and click pair new device. Select your Bluetooth mouse and it will be paired and ready to use. Now to unpair it, you have to go back to control center, Bluetooth center, select your Bluetooth mouse right here and forget it in the following window. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.